No, that's okay.
That's a big one, John.
Holy cow.
That's a 25-incher. You might need to start reeling it in now. Yeah, it's already going right. Yeah, just try to get it away from John. Are you over or under that one?
I think I'm over.
There, just reel it in. That's a very big fish. It is real fast if he's swimming at you.
He's off.
No, he's not. Crap.
Just like that. Keep that rod tip bent and wind it.
That fish is jumping out of the water. That's a big trout. Right here, hold on to that.
Yeah, he came up right into the surface.
He's jumping out of the water. I think she's got a trout like it.
Yeah.
Hey, the pole on the right looks like it's going too.
This one?
Just keep it left.
Nice. Keep him on the left side, Bonnie. Try to keep the rod bent. Over this way. Yep.
The rain's a-coming. Oh, he's way over here. Looks like a massive trout. It is a big trout.
Yeah.
Alright.
Open the bail.
Open what?
The bail on the reel. Open it.
Oh, okay.
Thank you.
Now close the bail.
Nice.
That's a fat trout.
Nice trout, Bonnie. That would make Shirley happy. That might be our dinner tonight.
Jeez, the feeding frames is going crazy.
Come on.
Keep it tight. Keep reeling. They're schooled up out there. That's 2 or 3 casts in a row. We had a good smack. Make sure you reel as fast as he's swimming at you.
Yeah.
Bring him on this side of the trolling motor if you can. Put some heat on him. Is that a redfish? Redfish, drum. What is it? Alright, lift.
Hold your rod tip a little higher.
Redfish.
Nice.
Little guy.
Oops, sorry. 18, man.
Open it. That's good that there's a school of redfish. I mean, I was getting hit the second hit the water out there. We just gotta find where they are. Try to keep it still until you get a bite. You roll yours in, Tom. Okay. I think your bait's all messed up, probably. Oh, we got a fish.
These pods right here.
We got a little redfish.
Little trout maybe.
Okay,
Oh, she's got a big fish. Oh, you got a red, baby red. That's a dink. Your fish are starting to bite though.
Yeah.
Hopefully we start getting bigger ones.
You got one, Bonnie?
That's why I like my... Oh, fish, fish, fish. That's... Yeah, he's on.
Oh,
I don't want
Did he fall off?
Yeah.
Yeah, you lost it. That was a good fish. The rod bent right over.
yes, I'm good.
Oh, yeah.
I wonder if she's got a... I don't know if she has a little jack or a trout. Something was really aggressive. It followed it all the way to the boat. That ain't no... Is that a red? That's a big trout. Nice. At least we got 2 keepers. Another big trout.
I didn't even lift the bait for you.
That's funny. He followed it right to the boat.
I need the trout clean. I'm all snagged up again. Oh, look at this fish out here.
Yeah, I know the rain's coming and they want to go in. They're starting to bite. 2 trout, and I hope that's a big redfish.
Big red or a big...
No more jacks. No more jacks. The freaking storms are coming. Oh geez, that is a big fish. No more jacks.
I think so.
Come on, big redfish. Yeah, I saw red. 22-inch red at least. Come on. Nice. That's a good red. Good job.
Oh wow.
There you go, John. Look at that thing.
Yeah.
That's what we're after. Keep him off the boat.
Come on.
That's a good fish.
He didn't like the size of the boat.
That's what we're here for.
Oh yeah. Yeah.
Nice
Good
one.
redfish.
Oh, nice one.
That's worth the 5 minutes of the rain, huh?
Sorry, Tom. Didn't mean to steal that one out from underneath. I couldn't resist.
That's okay.
Whoa, my finger went way too far. My finger went right up in his gill and he got me. 23. That's a good fish. You want a quick picture?
Yep.
In the rain?
Yep. This ain't rain.
Here, I got my phone in here.
I figured it went too far into his gill and he chomped down with his crushers. That's a good fish. At least you see what can be produced out of this spot.
Yeah.
I can't
All
believe
right, so
I need a
one's-
band-aid.
This
one's
one's caught
snagged.
really.
Get that good old salt water to clean it out. Damn it, it's gushing. I didn't know I was a gusher.
Sit down after that.
And we're about to get soaked too. Is this a good time to run to the ramp?
Sure.
But that one's stuck.
At least I proved there's fish here. We'll come right back to them when it stops raining. Alright, so we're making the run for it.
Yeah, I guess we have.
Jeez, and the fish are going insane behind us. Alright, we're leaving the feeding frenzy to go hide from the rain. Look at them all, circling the boat. Let's hope for a game fish as our first fish back.
Yeah.
It's fighting good.
Hold your rod
Yeah,
too
lift
far.
up a little bit. There you go.
Now what?
He's running like a jack. Yeah. Stupid things. Ah,
There you go.
Oh darn.
that always gets you excited.
Yeah.
Dang it. No more junk.
Oh, drown.
Oh, he's running side to side. That's a good sign. Small black drum. Yeah, it is.
Yep.
There, we found a school. First one. That looks like a sheep's head. Oh, it is a small drum. He's a lot smaller than the one yesterday. All right, everyone with a shrimp. That means you. Cast up front. And where there's one, there's 100. He might not even be a keeper. A solid fish too. All right, get those poles out of his way.
Okay.
Spring into action. He just hooked a big red finally. He said, watch this. You're acting like it's a monster. Is it really that big?
It is, dude.
Giant red.
Oh. Yeah.
In the beanbag chair fighting a big red. That's the fish you were waiting for today.
Come on.
Oh, it's a giant. There's no way that's a keeper.
Yeah, he's 32 inches.
Yeah, that's a bigger. That's overslot. Absolute stud. You're towing the boat. Don't fall in. That is an absolute giant fish.
Wait to see this one, guys.
That is a huge red. That was over 30. And no way that's a keeper fish. Dude, that's a giant. Our boat's going in circle. Oh my god.
You sure?
Yeah, I saw red. Definitely red. It's the size of a cobia.
Yeah. Gotta get a bigger net.
I know. We gotta get the head in there. Oh, we're coming back around. That is a giant fish. That's what we're here for. I'd give him 33 inches. The head on that thing was
You need help, listen.
that's a 33 incher.
I got him.
That's your September bull right there. That's a breeder. Remember this black anchor rope right here?
Yeah, try to keep him walking.
Yeah, he's doing what he wants to do.
I'll just pull the anchor so we'll go wherever he goes. One less problem to deal with. Aren't you glad you still have a 30-pound leader on that pole? He is going. Here, I'll follow him. Just keep him tight. Easily 32-inch fish. They might be bigger than 32. That's a,
I know.
yeah, and I'm chasing him too. That's a strong fish.
He's an old one.
I mean, that's the biggest fish I've caught all month. And John said, watch this. He felt them pick it up.
Yeah.
So we have that slow, dead tide. And look at the monster we get off of it. I hate when the fight takes this long. We need to get that fish in the boat.
Yeah.
I don't want to lose this fish. A hook fall out or a line break.
I know.
It's like,
She's so disheartened.
And that is such a big fish too. For him to fight this long, he's well over 30 inches. I think he's bigger than we think he is. He could push 34.
Come on, over by the boat.
Oh, beautiful red. Absolutely beautiful red.
Come on up.
Alright, which side throw him? It's off. Which side do you want to be on?
Right.
Alright, let's go right. Can you pull that cooler back? Just in case I get a chance to net him. Ha!
He went back out.
That's all you, John. We're not going to help you. You're getting that fish in the boat. I don't want to touch that line. Oh my god, that is a beautiful fish. Holy crap, he's that strong still?
Yeah.
This is the longest redfish fight of my life.
Yeah, he can swim back.
Alright, camera's on. Alright, he's getting tired. Keep his head on the surface. Oh, that is a beast. I love when it's calm like this too and you can hear it. Alright, keep him coming in hot. Oh, right there. Keep that mouth on the surface. Come on, big girl. Give me her head. Oh, that line is in her gill. Oh, yeah. Jesus. That's a 30, that's 30, 34 all day.
Good job.
Good job.
That's a 34 incher.
Holy cow.
That's what you catch in a, like,
In the
inlet.
jetties.
Yeah, this is not a fish that you catch out here.
In the
In,
river.
Holy
that's a
cow.
34, 36, somewhere in there. That is a pitcher and a half.
Yeah.
Are you gonna be able to hold them? Sit in your beanbag and relax for a minute. I'll get your hook out of here. My guess is 35, 34, somewhere in there.
Biggest one of the year, brother.
Yeah, that is my biggest fish in this boat. Look at that guess.
35 and a half, 36.
Let me get his nose in there. Get a full measurement of the pinch tail.
36.
35 and 3/4.
3/4.
35 and 3/4.
We'll call him 36.
And I was saying 34. He looked small and then he got big again.
Yep.
That's a big girl right there. Absolute beautiful redfish. 36 incher. You don't see too many big girls like that. Freaking giant. Alright, we found the pocket. You love rocks.
Oh, he broke off.
What? You gotta keep consistent pressure on
I
him.
thought I did.
Damn,
Jesus.
he's got a hot spot.
It's a smaller one here.
Alright, Tom, I'm gonna come in right behind him.
Already? Just like you go.
Hopefully you hook one. Here, hold on to that. Let's see if you hook one. If it's a drum, is that a fish?
Yeah, I think it's
No. Hey, drum, there's a cooler fish. Alright, so they're drum, not redfish.
I'll take it.
Yeah.
Wait.
Well, I threw a mud minnow in there thinking they were redfish, but now I regret it because they're drum. So that mud minnow ain't gonna catch one anyways. Nice fish.
Yeah, very good. So pulls it in, babe.
I will.
Keep real fast.
Pull it up higher.
There you go. Yep, keep pressure on
Rod
them.
tip back.
There you go, you got
You know
it.
you still got the fish on there.
There you go.
Line.
That's a good one.
Keep winding.
Is that a red or a drum? That looks like a redfish.
That'd be nice.
Small red, yep, baby redfish. Too small.
Oh no.
He's close though. No, he's too small. Good fight though.
Yeah.
A strong little fish. But you see how I was showing you? Just bump, 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 let it sit. Bump, 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 let it sit. When I felt the rock, I stopped, gave it slack. Fish grabbed it and swam away.
Okay. Yeah.
So you just gotta keep learning those little tricks, and then you won't get snagged every time. 17 1/4. A little bit bigger. Small red.
Alright, hold it up.
Another redfish. Yep.
Damn, those are all an inch sugar, dude. That's cool.
This one's really small.
Yeah.
Bye. You can see it swimming. Just start reeling. It's under. Just reel.
Reel, as fast as you can.
Yep, you got him on there.
Keep the rod.
That's a good redfish. That didn't take long. They're all around us. Whole pile of dolphin.
Away our stuff.
Yep. They're jumping out of the water. They're all over the place. He ate that mud minnow. Come on, no jacks. Big redfish or snook, anything. He hit it, second hit the water. Anything but a jack, please.
Keep your rod tip up high. There you go.
It didn't fight like a jack.
What the hell? You let go. Oh, man it. Damn.
Red.
All right. I'll try again.
All right, we got a school of fish. Who wants the next one?
I do.
Which way are you going? You going left?
Nice redfish.
Redfish? Are you netting them?
Yeah.
So that was a pile of redfish. That's crazy.
All right, here you go. You ready?
Keep them off the boat. Off the boat.
Get the head first.
Pull it up, pull it up.
Don't let the net touch.
Don't let it hit the boat.
Keep reeling.
Wind it.
Keep reeling.
Big red. Net them. Yeah, there you go.
Good job.
I'm glad we came here.
Yeah.
And they were, so those are redfish chasing the bait.
Yeah, they
a
were.
good spot.
There you go. There's your big drum. Last fish of the day. Come on. No catfish.
No catfish.
I saw swirl. It's a drum. I see small.
Ah, damn it.
It's a baby red. Yeah, baby redfish.
Red.
Is it?
Yep. I'll bring it up.
No.
Dang it.
Last fish of the day. Tiny little redfish. Just can't get a big one.
It's always